playmates masterless. So what do you guys think is similar between these two stories? Besides the fact that they're elephants. Which I know is probably what you're going to say. What's similar between the two, Brian?
They both talk about how to treat the elephants.
And how do they treat the elephants? Bad. Okay, very on.
They both saying that they will protect the people in this area.
Okay. What about where the elephants are?
In the savannas.
What?
In the savannas.
In the savannas? Which one are they in the savannas? Is it both of them? Is it one of them? Which one? Let's read that again. I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. I will revisit my lost loves and playmates masterless. Yes. Talk to me after class. So what does it mean when you're masterless? Okay. What about the elephants in here? Are they masterless? They're used as slaves, right? Is there any time when they are masterless?
At first.
At first, right? So somebody summarize in 3 sentences what the poem was about, or the short story, whatever you want to call it. Some people would call it a poem, because he actually had poems like this that were made into songs. Some people would call this a short story. So somebody tell me in 3 sentences what this one was about, the handout that I gave you. Somebody besides Brian or Verdion. And Melvin, because you're supposed to be writing. You guys, you 3 aren't leaving until I see what you've written. Come on, guys. Summarize. 3 lines, 3 sentences. What happened in the story? Jesus. Say it really loud so Miss Veridiana, who's really, really old, can hear you. I'm not old.
Yes, you are.
Come on, say it really loud.
Talks about how elephants are treated like bad, and how sometimes when they're sick they fall to the ground and then they can never get back up.
Okay. So, what are they saying in this story? What do the elephants decide to do?
Stand up.
Stand up, right? Okay. Somebody besides the ones that talk all the time. Tell me what you think. How did this make you feel? Genesis? How did this make you feel?
It makes me feel glad that they decide to stand up.
Why does it make you feel glad that they decided to stand up?
Because it shows that nothing can prevent them.
Okay. Why does it make you sad?
Because they were once free, but they decided to be nasty to people, and now they're treated like slaves.
So, what do you say is the difference between this one and the story in your book?
This one really has more.
Something that you sent to two. Alexis, what would you say is different between the 2 stories? Think about the elephants themselves. What's different about them in each story?
The elephant in the book, he's tired of being treated bad, and in the short story, they're used to it, I guess.
They're used to it. Do they do anything in the short story? What do they do? Angel? It's up near the beginning. Then the elephants put their grizzled heads together and pondered. What kind of example could they show to man? Why do they need to set an example? Yes?
To show that they're strong.
To show that they're strong. Why else do you think they would set an example?
and then we'll like keep them in here.
Okay, that's good.
To show the elephants that they're caring for others.
That they're caring for others. Do you guys know what it's like for an elephant in captivity?
No. Yes, I've seen one. They use their
How
toes.
much area do they usually have to roam around?
Small. Not
Pause
much.
it
Like
in
a
the room.
small area.
So would you like to be in that small area?
No.
Do you guys understand what they mean when they're talking about a wild elephant?